For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Twitter Inc. has reportedly approached TikTok's Chinese owner ByteDance to express interest in acquiring the US operations of the video sharing app. Twitter is reportedly in talks with TikTok for acquiring its US operations. Twitter has also privately made a case that its bid would face less regulatory scrutiny than Microsoft's. Twitter has said it will not face any pressure from China given that the app is not active in that country. If Twitter is planning to acquire TikTok, it must complete the transformative deal in 45 days. US President Donald Trump has given ByteDance 45 days to agree to a sale. However, market experts feel it is far from certain that Twitter can overtake Microsoft Corp in acquiring TikTok.
Twitter will have a hard time putting together enough financing to acquire even the US operation of TikTok. It doesn't have enough borrowing capacity. If Twitter tries to put together an investor group, the terms will be tough. Twitter's own shareholders might prefer that management focus on its existing business.
Twitter, the San Francisco-based social media company, is smaller than Microsoft. Twitter's market capitalization is about $29 billion, smaller than Microsoft's at more than $1.6 trillion. However, neither TikTok nor Twitter have made any official announcement on the matter. Meanwhile, Microsoft has been negotiating with TikTok's owner, ByteDance, for weeks. Microsoft is certainly considered the frontrunner in the deal. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella spoke with US President Donald Trump about acquiring TikTok's US operations. Trump said he would support Microsoft's efforts to buy TikTok. Microsoft is chasing a deal to buy all of TikTok's global businesses, including in India and Europe. The decision comes as India was TikTok's biggest market with over 650 million downloads. It is also important to note that Twitter has had a better relationship with US President Donald Trump. Jack Dorsey's company recently came under fire by President Trump, who said Twitter and Facebook are unfairly censoring him. Twitter blocked a video of Trump for violating their policies on coronavirus misinformation. Trump recently signed an executive order to ban TikTok in the US. The US president has given a deadline till September 15 for TikTok to either be acquired by a US firm or ban operations. President Trump cited India's decision to ban Chinese apps.
The government of India recently banned the use of TikTok and other Chinese mobile applications throughout the country. In a statement, India's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology asserted that they were stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside India.
TikTok plans to file a federal lawsuit to challenge US President Donald Trump's executive order banning TikTok. TikTok observed that Trump banning the popular video sharing app was unconstitutional. TikTok in its blog said it was shocked over Trump's decision and would pursue all remedies available.